Warning, only buy this if you actually know how to drive. So one of my guilty pleasures is driving through country lanes. At the speed limit, of course. But my little 1-litre engine is a bit underwhelming. So, I bought this thing that I saw on my For You page, which lets you play high power engine sounds out of your speakers in real time. And it's actually like next level.
I'm actually shaking.
And then once you plug it into your car, you can actually change the engine sound whenever you want. So yeah, there's a link in my bio if you do want one. So yeah, as you can see, it's actually sick, so I highly recommend you guys get one of these, link in my bio.